Right now, we want to get to the latest on COVID. Scientists in the U.S. and around the world are racing to learn more about that new coronavirus variant called Omicron. This afternoon, North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper said that the variant has sparked a new set of questions here, but he once again urged people to get the COVID vaccine.
As the scientists and public health experts race to get answers about the new variant, we still know this to be 100% true. Getting more people vaccinated is the way out of this pandemic. If you haven't been vaccinated and you're worried about the Omicron variant, get your shot today.
And now we know that Omicron has already spread to several countries, and health experts say it's only a matter of time before it is detected in the U.S. and here in the Carolinas. Scientists, though, working in genomic sequencing labs will likely be the ones that make that discovery. Here in Mecklenburg County, the lab is at UNC Charlotte, and WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner spoke to the lead researcher in that lab, and she joins us live now. So, Chloe, what did they tell you about the process that they do here?
Well, Vanessa, of course, they have not seen Omicron in their genetic sequencing yet because it hasn't been detected here in the country. But knowing when it gets here is really important for our public health officials. It helps them guide their response. Plus, doctors inside the hospitals can get a better idea of what to prepare for.
It's meticulous and hard work. But these scientists will be the first to know when Omicron starts spreading in Mecklenburg County.
We're going to see it, one way or another.
Dr. Cynthia Gibas is one of the professors leading the genomic sequencing lab at UNC Charlotte. They get positive COVID tests from the county and through a days-long process, essentially translate the virus's genes into a language they understand. Viruses are constantly mutating, and they can see those changes and determine which variant it is. They haven't sequenced Omicron yet, but they say they'll know it when they see it.
There are about 50 mutations in Omicron, and I think about 25 of them are unique to that strain. So if we get, even if we have a little bit of adjustment to the method that we have to use, we'll get a good enough coverage of the genome probably right away to be able to tell the first time we see it. There's just so much change there relative to the other strains that I think it's going to be pretty easy to distinguish in the sequencing.
The work they're doing is crucial to guiding the public health response.
Public health authorities have to know what strains are spreading so they can take appropriate measures.
And today, Governor Cooper said he did not anticipate there would be any major changes in restrictions with this variant. But again, he did stress the importance of getting vaccinated. Live in Charlotte, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
Chloe, thank you.